Alright guys, just doing a quick update and what state this is in. Let's see if we can zoom out a little bit. So I got wiring fixed. I'm still probably going to put an XT60 connector on there. And I got this all kind of straightened up back here. I do need to replace this connector for the motor because, well, yeah, that looks pretty bad. But it works right now. If I can get that plug back in, it will home. And I shortened up the cable chain, drag chain, by that much so that the wires will reach to the back of there. And yeah, I got this dust shoe from Genmitsu. I ordered a different one that was a cheaper one, and the magnets on it felt really weak, and it just like you'd barely bump it and it felt like it would fall right off. So I didn't think that'd be a good situation if you're, got a project running and it does that. I also printed a bit holder, and oh yeah, this one comes with two shoes or two brushes, a short one and a long one. That was the other thing. The other one was probably about that short, but this part I think was a little bit deeper, or the way it sat on the motor was deeper. And with the bristles on, the end of the collet almost stuck down past it. So once you had a bit in there, it wouldn't even be touching. I mean, you'd have to have it pretty much all the way in order for it to be doing any good. So we'll see how this one goes. Other than that, it looks like it's pretty well squared away. I need to get another piece of wood to put on top of here still, and then, oh yeah, I did cut this. I don't think I recorded that, but it was just a simple test, and it was done on the free software. Can't think of the name of it. Let's see if this guy's on. Just a second. Alright, so it was done with Easel, and I have the free version. It does not allow you to input your own bits, and well, so I just set it up with what I had, and so you get that kind of a roundish bottom. That first one that's real deep is flat. I did that with an end mill, with a flat, what is it, a 2 flute or 4 flute, or I like to play flute. Oh, looks like it's a 3. They have a 3. No, it's just 2. So yeah, it did good there. I still got to go through and do the calibration, see if there's any way to do that on 3D printing. You just print a cube. So So I gotta find that. And yeah. So I guess that's it for this update. Thanks for watching.